Dubai chocolate
what do we have here today,
unboxing
Gabe?
and taste.
Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate. We're gonna do an unboxing of the Dubai chocolate, the viral Dubai chocolate.
Now, just so you know, this ain't your average Feastables, Reese's, Hershey's chocolate. This is fancy chocolate from Dubai.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Premium cocoa, yum yum.
You gotta take the sticker off instead of opening it like that. Well, I guess it's not working out. Look, it comes in this nice gold wrapper.
Does that remind you of Willy Wonka?
Makes it look fancy.
Like
It's a big piece. First, let's do a smell test. What does it smell like?
Dubai.
So let's break a piece. We're gonna share it because this is like a piece that breaks off. It's huge. So we're gonna break it half. We're gonna have half and half.
ASMR?
Huh?
ASMR?
Yeah, so.
It was so good.
First impression?
That's bomb.
It like melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
You see how the chocolate's not hard? It like just kind of melts in your mouth.
Yes, it's not like Feastables where it's like, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Not a lot of pistachio flavor. I thought it would taste more like pistachios.
Mm-hmm.
But all in all, it's a pretty good chocolate.
It's growed off trees.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
chocolate from trees.
Cacao from trees.
So cacao is used to make chocolate, cacao from trees. So technically, aren't chocolate made from plants in the ground?
Mm-mm.
So,
What do you think? Score.
10 stars.
10 stars. Okay. I like it. It was about a $14-15 bar. It does taste like a premium chocolate. I mean, it is definitely better than Hershey's and all those. It would be more compared to like a
Feastables.
like a See's candy or like a Godiva. So it's definitely a solid candy bar. Yeah, good. Good taste.
Mm-hmm. The packaging.
SoCal Boys.
Packaging is delicious. Also, I would buy this again.
All right. Till next time.